Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today we're going to talk about South America, one of your 7 continents. So we're going to start with South America. So you should have 2 maps. Okay, so we're going to be going along. You're going to need some materials. You're going to need some colored pencils, pen, pencil, and the 2 maps that I had you download before we started. All right, here we go. All right, South America, Western Hemisphere, okay? Mostly in the Southern Hemisphere. Remember at the beginning we talked about West and East and then North and South. So we're talking about mostly Southwestern Hemisphere, okay? On either side we have the Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean, okay? We do have the Caribbean Sea. But I will tell you on the final test for this section, I'm going to be asking you between which 2 oceans does this continent lie. So please keep that in mind, put a little star by it, something like that, so that you remember. Okay, there are 12 sovereign nations, okay, 12 sovereign countries within this continent. And that's, sometimes people say like, oh, Africa or oh, South America, but please remember that's a continent and there are countries within the continent. And so we're going to be looking at those countries. And so right now, I'm going to want you to take a little bit of time to just look at what we have here, look at the map, and I want you to label those on your map. You don't have to do it right now. If you want to, we can continue and then you can record. You can do it later for your homework, but I'm going to want you to have all of these countries labeled, just the name and some sort of nice coloring to make it look unique so you can tell them apart from each other. All right, in terms of land area, definite test question. Okay, South America is the 4th largest continent, the 4th. So if you want to draw a 4 somewhere on your map, just to have a visual to remember that, it is the 4th largest. First is Asia, then Africa, North America, and then South America, 4th.